So, alright, morning, afternoon, whatever, night, wherever you are. So, this is my mini series called, what's it called? Okay, I don't have a name yet. But it's Survival in Japan. No. Japanese, no. A Jamaican Guide to Surviving Japan. No. Didn't think about this. A black man's guide to survive in Japan. No, that's not cutting it. That's not cutting it at all. Think. Okay, so it's a miniseries. Piggles di Gaijin survival tips for Japan. Yeah. Okay, awesome. So here it goes. Zine. So it's like some mini videos, like maybe a minute and 30 seconds, unedited. Just boom, upload. Whatever comes to mind, I'm just gonna say it. I don't care because that's what I do. I just do stuff. Right, so, survival tip number 1. Be aware of all the stereotypes that they have. Japan is built on stereotypes. Foreigners give trouble. Foreigners are rude. Foreigners have no manners. That's what they think. So if you're black, they're going to think you need watermelon, fried chicken, blah, blah, blah. Jamaica, oh boy. I can't even tell you what they would think about Jamaicans. But yeah, so they will be scared of you. They're going to stare. So just be ready for that if you're coming to Japan. And that's my time. 1 minute and 36 seconds too much. Okay, I'll go to 2 minutes. So, okay, so be aware of the stereotypes and try not to fall into it and help correct it. And slowly we can change the perspective of Gaijin. Okay, be helpful. Have good manners. Say hello, thank you, bye, please, and thanks. Okay, peace out. Piggles di Gaijin Survival to Japan mini-series. Volume 1. Boom, I'm out. Yeah. Oh, one thing. If you live in a Leo Palace, the walls are thin, so don't make too much noise. Noise complaints, they'll kick you out after 3 months. I'm on 2.5, so pray for me.